You wouldn't believe that some of the strongest plant helpers are things we usually throw away. In nature, nothing is wasted. When plants receive gentle nutrients and natural signals, they grow stronger, and pests quietly back off. Take a handful of dry onion peels. These peels are rich in sulfur and natural compounds that help discourage aphids, ants, and soft-bodied pests while supporting root health. Add them to 1 liter of clean water and let them soak for 12 to 24 hours. As the color changes, those protective compounds slowly move into the water. Now, strain the liquid. While it's still fresh, add half a teaspoon of yeast. Yeast wakes up beneficial microbes in the soil. As you stir, it helps release nutrients, improves soil activity, and supports faster leaf and stem growth. Dilute this mixture with another liter of water. Pour it gently around the base of your plants, not on dry soil. Use it once every 10 to 14 days. Over time, you'll notice greener leaves, stronger growth, and fewer pests hanging around. This isn't magic. It's working with nature instead of against it. Simple ingredients, steady results, and healthier plants the natural way. If you found this helpful, give it a try and let your garden show the difference.